Hello, coffee lovers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the world of American coffee, uncovering some surprising and unknown facts about this beloved beverage. So, grab your favorite cup of joe and join us as we explore the rich history and fascinating secrets of coffee in America. Did you know that coffee played a significant role in American history? Back in 1773, during the Boston Tea Party, when American colonists protested British tea taxes by throwing tea into Boston Harbor, coffee started gaining popularity as a patriotic alternative to tea. It became a symbol of American independence. Coffee culture revolution. Fast forward to the 20th century, and coffee culture underwent a significant transformation. With the rise of coffee chains like Starbucks, Americans started to embrace specialty coffee drinks. It marked the beginning of a coffee culture that valued premium beans, brewing methods, and espresso-based concoctions. The Great Coffee Belt. Coffee beans don't grow just anywhere. They thrive in a region known as the Coffee Belt, which includes parts of Central and South America, Africa, and Asia. But did you know that Hawaii, a U.S. state, is the only place in the United States where coffee is grown commercially? Kona coffee from Hawaii is famous for its unique flavor profile. America's love for iced coffee. While hot coffee is a staple, Americans have a special place in their hearts for iced coffee. In fact, the trend of cold brew and iced coffee has been growing steadily, especially during the hot summer months. Cold brew is made by steeping coffee grounds in cold water, resulting in a smooth and less acidic flavor. Coffee varieties. America is home to a diverse coffee scene. You can find various coffee varieties from around the world, including Arabica, Robusta, and unique single-origin beans. Local roasters and coffee shops often offer a variety of coffee choices to suit every palate. The coffee house revolution. Coffee houses have become more than just places to grab a coffee. They are hubs for creativity, work, and socialization. The environment they provide has a significant influence on American culture, from beatniks in the 1950s to today's digital nomads. The instant coffee invention. In 1901, American coffee history was forever changed when Satoru Kato, a Japanese chemist living in Chicago, invented instant coffee. This convenient form of coffee quickly gained popularity among soldiers during World War II, and it remains a practical choice for many to this day. Coffee and the Civil War. During the American Civil War, coffee played a significant role. Soldiers on both sides of the conflict relied on coffee to stay alert and warm. In fact, it was so essential that coffee grinders were included in soldiers' rations, and a cup of coffee was considered a respite from the harsh realities of war. The birth of Frappuccino. The famous Frappuccino, a blended coffee beverage loved by many, was born in America. In the 1990s, Starbucks introduced the Frappuccino, which quickly became a staple in coffee shops worldwide, combining coffee, milk, ice, and various flavors to create a delightful, refreshing treat. The world's largest coffee break. America holds the record for the world's largest coffee break event. In 2009, a group of coffee enthusiasts in St. Louis, Missouri, gathered to participate in a mass coffee break, serving coffee to over 3,700 participants. It's a testament to the shared love for this beverage. The Coffee Belt connection. Coffee beans used in the United States come from around the world, often from countries in the Coffee Belt. Beans from countries like Colombia, Ethiopia, and Brazil make their way to the American coffee market, contributing to the diverse flavor profiles you can find in your cup of coffee. Coffee and the space program. Coffee's role in the Great Depression. During the Great Depression in the 1930s, coffee was referred to as the Great Lifter. At a time when many Americans were struggling, coffee became an affordable and comforting escape from their economic hardships. It was a symbol of hope in difficult times. Coffee and Prohibition. During the era of Prohibition, 1920-1933, when alcohol was illegal in the United States, coffeehouses and speakeasies often became the go-to places for socializing. People would gather to enjoy a cup of coffee and discuss the issues of the day, sometimes with a touch of secret rebellion. Coffee's impact on the economy. Coffee has a significant impact on the U.S. economy. Coffee is not just a morning ritual for many athletes, it's also an ergogenic aid. Studies have shown that caffeine, a natural component of coffee, can enhance physical performance. Some athletes drink coffee before their workouts or competitions to gain a performance edge. The coffee art movement. The art of crafting designs in coffee foam, known as latte art, is a unique and creative subculture within the coffee world. Talented baristas have turned coffee into a canvas, creating intricate designs that add an extra layer of delight to your daily cup. The coffee bag evolution. Coffee packaging has come a long way. In the early days, coffee was sold in bulk, and customers had to bring their containers to purchase it. It wasn't until the mid-20th century that coffee started being packaged in the familiar, vacuum-sealed bags that we see today. And there you have it, even more intriguing and lesser-known facts about coffee in America. It's remarkable how this beverage has woven itself into the fabric of American culture, history, and even economics. If you've enjoyed these coffee revelations, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts or any other coffee facts you know in the comments below. Thanks for joining us today, and remember, coffee is more than just a drink. It's a story waiting to be discovered with every sip. Until next time, keep brewing and enjoying your favorite cups of joe. Cheers!